Oh, look at that.
No way.
What is going on, Pikeys? Welcome back to Santiago, Chile. I'm here with Foogie today. You guys remember him from the Embalse El Yezo trip. That's where we met. And we are out hiking today. What's the name of the trail we're on, Foogie?
Alto del Naranjo.
Yeah, guys, this is like close to 1,000-meter elevation gain, about 11 kilometers round trip. And it is 11:30. Hopefully we can do it in 4 hours. That'd be cool.
Yes.
But anyways, guys, how are you all doing today? I am so excited to be out here. I love hiking, and I've wanted to hike since getting here. So I was super excited that Foogie invited me along. Foogie's actually a bit of a hiker himself. Like, you have some hiking achievements.
Yeah.
Like, what are you most proud of in your hiking career?
I guess Annapurna and Rinjani. If you don't know what that is, you can check it out on Google, because I don't have the vlog.
Nepal.
Nepal.
Yeah.
Nepal and Indonesia.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's get going to this summit. Roll the montage. Guys, this is so awesome. I'm feeling it. We've been pushing a pretty good pace so far, Foogie.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Tired. This guy is a machine. He just kept going and going. Oh my god.
I'm about to hit that spot where I'm gonna have to start braking more often though, because yeah, we've been pushing pretty strong for about the first half an hour so far.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's keep going. There's the summit, Alto del Naranjo. We're about 30 meters more in altitude gain before we reach the summit. Probably like 95% of the way there. Guys, it is so stunning today up here. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Foogie was here last week and this was covered in snow. So it's been getting a lot warmer here. Summer is on its way. September is supposed to be the best month of the year here in Chile. And it's deep into August, so I'm really excited to experience September here. Whew! Alright guys, we have made it up to the top of Alto del Naranjo. This is so cool. You can't like fully realize you're on a peak because there's actually a lot of taller mountains around. But how cool is this tree right here? Everyone gets to the top and it looks like people just lounge around in the shade here. And then you have this absolutely breathtaking view of the Andes Mountains behind us, which I believe go up to a little over 4,000 meters. I've done a lot of hiking out in Colorado and the mountains there go a little higher than that as well. So that is just so breathtaking and beautiful. We live in an amazing world.
Yes.
We made it, man. Good job.
Good job.
So one thing I've noticed today hiking with Foogie is his passion for hiking. And Foogie told me he has dreams of hiking Everest one day, which is totally cool to hear.
Yeah.
I can feel his passion when he talks about it, and I have faith in you, man. Foogie and I are just enjoying our nice chill sesh on the summit here. And I just want to give you guys a few basic tips that might seem obvious looking back, but actually it's common mistakes I've made for years going on hikes for the first time in like a year or 6 months. But basically the big one is sunscreen. If you guys look back on one of my other hiking vlogs in Colorado, I get so burnt in it, and it's a must. I'm pretty sure, unless I've just been wiping my sweat too hard, I'm gonna have a little bit of a burn after today. Another one is bring plenty of snacks, because if you hit a wall while you're hiking and you might feel like, oh man, I made a mistake, maybe I'm not in good enough shape, even having something unhealthy like cookies, just getting that sugar back in your bloodstream can make you feel 1,000 times better. And then of course number 3 is bringing enough water. I just ran out on the summit, but I generally don't drink too much. But yeah, those are my 3 tips for the day. Any more to add, Foogie?
Nope.
Foogie! Alright guys, I doubt you can see them, but there's actually 2 very large birds right above this ridge flying right in this area. And Foogie tells me these are the largest birds in Chile, with the wingspan ranging up to 6 meters wide. What?
That's according to one guide that told me.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on that.
Even so, from this distance, these birds are huge.
Oh man.
I'm gonna do a drone flight. I won't get too close to the birds, of course. I won't want to be invasive on their territory, but hopefully they don't attack the drone, because I have heard of large birds attacking drones. So let's see how this goes.
Guys, it's alive! It's alive! Oh, look at that.
No way. No way. Okay guys, when I first brought the drone up into the air to see if it was gonna do anything weird, it actually was making a little bit of a weird noise. And the remote's like basically dead because I forgot to charge it, so we're using Foogie's external battery pack to try to charge it up. Apparently it's not really working, so I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. Who knows, this could be the end of the drone. I know I've said that plenty of times, but today feels like the biggest possibility. But gotta do it for the vlog. Let's do it. Here we go. We made it down to the trailhead, guys. I'm sure that was a horrible transition from the drone flight, but I was just pretty exhausted. I'm like, let's do it. We've been walking down for about an hour and a half now, and I actually forgot to tell you guys the stats once we got to the top, but I'm pretty sure it was just over 2 hours to get to the top, maybe 2 hours and 15 minutes. So we made pretty good pace. Head over to Foogie's vlog if you're interested in the actual stats. I'm sure he has them listed there. But yeah, guys, I need some food. I love getting a meal after a good hike. It's just like, it feels so well deserved. And a nice cold Diet Coke just gets the blood sugar level raised back up. Whew, let's go. Horses in English, or in Spanish, caballo. Hola caballo, ¿cómo estás? Bien? Ciao. It's official, guys. I definitely got sunburnt. Hopefully it doesn't peel later on. But I got a Coca-Cola here, got a couple blueberry muffins. I cannot wait to eat these. We just laid down in a park in the city here, and yeah, I'm just ready to chill for the rest of the night. That was a pretty good hike, Foogie. Yeah. Decently challenging, but not to the extent where I'm like dead. I'm just, you know, I'm ready to relax. So beautiful too, guys. I hope you all enjoyed coming along today. It was such a beautiful day up in the mountains. I absolutely love hiking, so I'm super happy Foogie invited me along today. If you guys are interested, Foogie's a vlogger as well. Head over to his channel, make sure to check him out and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Foogie?
Goodbye, everyone. Nice to meet you.
That's right. Yeah, guys, I hope you all have a great night. I'll be going to a flea market soon and maybe checking out another park here in Santiago. That's a vlog idea I've had for a little while, and I'm probably gonna do in a couple days. So I'm sure that's where you'll see me next, but we will see you guys later. If you haven't, please hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because we have an epic trip north in Chile here this week. and it's gonna be so cool. Don't wanna miss it. We'll catch you guys next time, Pikeys. Peace! Hola chicas.
Hola.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
Yes.
Are you from Chile?
Yes.